Hey everybody, so I got a quick video, picked up some paint from Walmart, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so this is not from Walmart, but these three cans, they're the same paint. They are Satin Fire Orange. This is Rust-Oleum American Accents 2x Ultra Coverage Paint and Primer. Wood, metal, plastic, and more bonds to plastic. Has it in bright yellow. Fast drying, indoor, outdoor. Made with double coverage technology. I found it neat because I've been buying Rust-Oleum stuff for a while, but I've never paid attention to it. It says made in USA. At the bottom. 11 Hawthorne Parkway, Vernon Hills, Illinois 60061. Has a phone number, Rust-Oleum.com, and then it says made in USA. Hecho AEUA 2017 Rust-Oleum Corporation. So pretty neat. I already sprayed this. I already did a video on this paint being utilized. I didn't actually do a video of me spray painting the item, but I did show off the painted item on a video. I like this paint. It came out really nice. The reason I had this VHT can in here was because this is what I sprayed first. I'm sure if you use like a white base coat, this might have been a little bit lighter, but I used this VHT header paint, and I sprayed this over it. So this was kind of a yellowish orange on the item, and then this came out really like this beautiful, like fiery kind of dark burnt orange almost is what it came out. So that's the reason I had it in the screenshot at the beginning of the video. Was I used this as kind of the base color. That was never the intention. I intended on using this color for the whole thing. Problem is I ran out, and this is $15 a can at AutoZone and places that sell this, where I got these three cans for $12. So I just ended up changing the color. It probably would have taken two or three of these cans to get the darkness I wanted, and it would have been more expensive than it was worth. It was just me restoring a handle for a generator cart that I converted the cart to something else. But yeah, this is really nice paint. I do like the Satin Fire Orange. You know, it may be different color based off of what your base coat is. You know, if you have a green base coat, I'm sure it's going to be a totally different color, because I know when I sprayed this on the item I was spraying, and I kind of got it on the chair I was leaning the item against. It was one of those cheap metal, you know, assembly chairs. That chair was green. When this paint dried on that chair, it dried red. So I'd assume, dependent on the color, the base coat color it's being painted on is going to depend on how dark this is. If it's orange, if it's red. You know, this, when this dried on the object, it was kind of like a yellowish orange. So when I sprayed this on it, it seemed to have gotten a little darker than the cap, but it's still an orange color, and I kind of like it. You know, it doesn't do it justice, the camera doesn't, but appreciate you guys. There'll be a black handle here that you could fold up to move the cart. I had a very little amount of this VHT very high temp flame proof header paint in orange, and I didn't have enough to finish it, the handle. So what I did is I just went and bought some Rust-Oleum American Accent 2x Ultra Coverage Paint and Primer. Wood bonds to wood, metal, plastic, and more. And this is Satin Fire Orange. And I like this. You know, I I like this way better than that paint over there. That VHT looks like more of a yellow than an orange. But this is what the handle looks like with a couple coats. And I just hung it on some baling wire on my gazebo until I can buy another tarp for this. I only had this gazebo like 3 months. 70 mile an hour windstorm came through here and it just ripped the cover right off of it. But I think it came out nice. I kind of like this. It's really dark and it does give me the essence of fire orange. And I'll show you what that VHT paint looked like. It looked like this yellow right here, and this is that satin fire orange. You can see the difference. And it's, oh, Zorro, stop. And it's over here too, because this is where I started. Now, as you can tell, you guys watch my videos, there's paint everywhere. There's paint here, there, the gray and the red over here. It's my concrete, I don't care. By the time I'm done and I told my wife earlier, by the time I'm done and every item I've ever wanted to paint, this sidewalk will be rainbow. Just saying. But that's the project that I'm doing right now. I do like how this came out. It is very nice. Probably gonna do a couple more coats. You know, I bought 3 cans for $12, and that VHT paint is $15 a can now instead of $10. So I just went the cheapest route. Figured I can find a darker color, and to be honest with you, I'm probably gonna buy that satin fire red orange again because I like it. It looks good. And no, it's gonna stand out on the cart, and that was why I used it. I have red and blue and green and a few other colors, but Hey everybody, so I did a video earlier talking about the fire, the satin fire orange. I had it hanging from the gazebo on the last video, which is hanging from these guys. I already installed it. I was talking to you guys about the paint I bought from Walmart, and this was the VHT header paint in, which looks like yellow, but it's not. It was actually orange on the cap. And this is the Rust-Oleum fire orange satin, and on the green chair it came out red. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is what it looks like installed. Just move it back a little. So that's the handle right there against the red. I think it came out pretty good. So that's the difference in the red on the cart and the satin fire orange. It's just a quick little video. This is an old Generac generator cart that I converted to hold a small 2-gallon compressor and a vise and a welder. This is an old MiG 200 welder. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. The paint's chipping right here, right where it's being hinged, but and right here, but it's alright. You know, I didn't give it a full like 3 or 4 days. It was hanging on gazebo for 27 hours or so. But yeah, it's just a quick video to show you guys. That's what it looks like. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.